Hi, my name is Binyam. I'm 9. I live in Silver Spring, Maryland with my mom and dad. Both of them are named Danny. My dad is Habesha and my mom is African American. My mom's parents are always telling me about Black American history, like the Civil Rights Movement and what it was like during slavery. It was really interesting to hear about my family's history and where I come from. But then I realized I don't know anything about Habesha history. So I decided to ask my dad and his parents about our family history. I'll ask my mom about history in general since she's very smart. So here we go. Comprehension questions. 1. Who is speaking? 2. Where do they live? 3. What is the problem? 4. How will they solve the problem? Come back next time to find out what happens next. If you want to follow along with the English or Tigrinya while you're listening, you can find the transcripts on my website. You might already be there if you're listening to the embedded Spotify audio. Tigrinya's short stories are produced by CrossGen. We hope to see you next time. Barak ma'alti.